This is my Suzuki Jimny, an SJ410, a 1983 model, which was a total wreck when I bought it 18 months ago. Since then, on and off, I have been doing some work on it. The engine is a F10A 1000cc, which I have rebuilt. The front was a write-off and it has been restored, as you can see on the video. The bumper design and build is from me. I calculate about 960 hours to finish this project. 400 hours have already been invested in the project. Example, the bumper is finished, the headlights are all in LED, the grille has been made, it's fiberglass. The front has already been painted. Roll barge or roll cage inside is already been produced by me and will be fitted when the car has been painted. At the moment I'm working on the rear for the spare wheel. I'm making a gate which is about nearly finished, which I will show in some later videos, and there's so many other things to do. Inside I've made a new dashboard, and we're going to have air conditioning but with pipes going up over the ceiling, which will be totally different. And the side doors, we won't have them, they'll be tubular doors. So that's about all I can say for the moment. So some videos will be coming soon, and stay tuned. See you later. Bye.